filming multiple videos at a time, but I'm worn out to even change. Okay, so pardon me with the same dress. Hello, friends and family. Welcome to my channel, and it's another time with Belle. So, guys, how are you doing, guys? I know you are doing awesome, right? Thank you. Okay, I want to say thank you to everybody new and those subscribers. I really appreciate you. Okay, this channel will not be without you. Okay, and if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, oh boy, please pause the video, click on there, subscription button, notification bell so that you can get more updates from Time with Bell. Okay, guys, so let's dive into the video. Okay, guys, so we are reviewing hair. Okay, so this is the hair. Oh my, the packaging alone. This is how it came. Yeah, this hair is from MYLOVE store on Amazon. Okay, so this hair was 73.99 with a 6% discount, guys. So rush and go get yours. Okay, yeah, so this short bob wig, like human hair. Okay, so this is a human hair, the bob. Yeah, so this was the package. Oh my. So I mean, you've been going to the salon. When you're done, you have an extra bag to go to the salon. Okay, so it came with a wig cap. Yeah, the same as the one I'm wearing, this type. And what again? Yeah, I think that's it. And you've got yourself a free bag. Okay, a free bag. Yep. Okay, so this is the main hair. So it's a lace front. Yeah, this is covered to prevent it from tangling. This is out. So this is the hair. I mean, this is cute. You don't need to be told, guys. Damn cute, guys. Yep, I can't wait to put it on. I'm not good at, I mean, should I say maintaining or detangling or tangling hair, okay? So, yeah. Yep. Looks so natural. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. I think it looks so natural. Look at the front. Yeah, it looks so natural. And there are some pins in it to secure it from falling. Yep. And you've got some strap here, okay? Alright, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. So, guys, this is the hair. Oh my, oh my. I think I'm looking cute, right? Yeah. I'm really loving this hair. I think I'm looking cute. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, Bicho. Ichoko, Ichoko, Ichoko. I think I'm looking cute. What do you think? Yeah. So it has this front lace here. So yeah, so this is it. This is how it looks like. So I don't really have a cornrow down. So my hair is kind of like puffy. Yeah, so I know when you have a cornrow or like your hair, your own hair really flattens, I think it's not gonna be puffy, okay? It's gonna like be firm and like cute, like more cuter than I am now. Okay, so it has this the front lace. So you either cut it or you just I mean push it in, okay? Yeah, so yeah. I mean, I think I push it in and you can see, right? Yeah, so I think this is how it's cute. Yeah, yeah, it's cute. Ichoko, Ichoko, Ichoko. Oh, Ichoko. Oh my god, this hair is really cute. It's okay, it's really cute. Even though and the price, I think the price is affordable, okay, because it is human hair, okay. So I think the prices are affordable. Yeah, so for human hair, I think it's the price is affordable. So you want to get it, okay? My love on Amazon. I'm going to put their link in the description box so that you can easily make a purchase. Okay, guys, and they have 6% discount, guys. You want to look cute in your 6% discount? Hey, oh my, I'm really loving the hair. It's cute, like not even up to your shoulder, like a little bit kind of thing. Yeah. Yep. Okay, guys, I am looking fly, and I think you can just if you want to hold it this way too, you can do that. And looking at the back here, I got to know you can also like make it this way. I have the coffee thing here, so you can see mine, but you can easily make it here, which there's a hair, like kind of like a baby hair that helps your back to be covered. Okay, so I mean everybody might think it's your own hair, guys. Okay, guys, so my love on Amazon. Okay, don't forget my love on Amazon, and don't forget with your 6% discount, guys. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with Bill, and I will see you next time. Bye.